Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Wednesday, March 26, 2025. And the stock market, especially weak today, and the NASDAQ, especially weak. And it's triggered by tariffs. And I guess there's some news out there about the automobile tariff with Canada and like that may have triggered this. What I think is important is that the April 2, which is I guess a week from today, that this tariff deadline, and it just seems like everybody's focused on it, and that it's going to be a binary event on either the tariffs kind of come off and don't get implemented, or the tariffs do get implemented and it causes a lot of damage. And that's the way what I've read as the narrative and the predictions and like that. And certainly there's a lot of in between that could happen. Clearly the any relief from the tariffs, and the market probably going to rally real hard, real strong, maybe 3 or 4%, and the same on the downside. And it's just, again, it's a very unique, I think, event and date that is triggering what is a binary setup, which I'm not sure that's totally correct. Another point that I want to make is about the NASDAQ being so weak, and that there's these tech stocks are just really overvalued. I'm finishing up a newsletter just trying to explain and point out a few things in a brief manner about valuations and how to think about things. Valuations, stocks can remain overvalued for a long time and undervalued for a long time. So they really don't necessarily trigger a movement. But when things line up, the valuations, can have an impact. And I think what it's looking at is maybe a slowing economy. So now all of a sudden, sales and earnings potentially could be slower for these high-priced stocks and high-value stocks, and people are rethinking that. So thank you for listening. We'll be back on Friday. Again, if you're interested in the newsletters, check out our website and LinkedIn, or contact me and I'll email it to you directly. Again, thank you for listening. Good luck. Goodbye.